Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take questions relating to linear inequality. Take first question. Solve x plus x over 2 plus x over 3 less than 11. Show the graph of the solutions. Show the graph of the solutions graph of the solutions on the number line. On the number line. Solution. We have x plus x over 2 plus x over 3 less than 11. Taking LCM, 6. 6 plus 3x, 6x plus 3x plus 2x less than 11. 11x less than 66, x less than 66 over 11. Therefore, x is less than 6. This is number line. There is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. X is less than 6. That means 6 is not included. X belongs to minus infinity to 6. So 6 is not included. We shall make a circle showing that 6 is not included. Less than means on the left hand side. This is the graph of this. Second question. 3 into x minus 2 over 5 less than equal to 5 into 2 minus x over 3. Solve it and show the graph of the solutions on a number line. On a number line. Solution. 3 into x minus 2 over 5 less than equal to 5 into 2 minus x over 3, which implies 3x minus 6 over 5 less than equal to 10 minus 5x over 3. Cross multiply. 9x minus 18 less than equal to 50 minus 25x. That means 9x plus 25x less than equal to 50 plus 18, which will give you 34x less than equal to 68 and x less than equal to 68 over 34, which is 2. This implies x is less than equal to 2. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to closed interval on the right, 2. So let us show it on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Here 2 is included. Why? Because x is less than equal to. Equal to is there. So we shall take it as a dark and do it on the left hand side because it's minus infinity. So dark it on left hand side. So this is the graphical representation on the number line. Third question, solve half into 3x over 5 minus 4 greater than or equal to 1 over 3 into x minus 6. Solution, we have half into 3x over 5 minus 4 greater than or equal to 1 over 3 into x minus 6, which will give you 3x minus 20 over 10 greater than or equal to x minus 6 over 3. Cross multiply, 9x minus 60 is greater than or equal to 10x minus 60. This will give you 9x minus 10x is greater than or equal to minus 60 plus 60. Therefore, minus x is greater than or equal to 0. So x is less than or equal to 0. This means x belongs to minus infinity to close interval 0. Fourth question, solve 2x minus 1 over 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 over 4 minus 2 minus x over 5. Solution, we have 2x minus 1 over 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 over 4 minus 2 minus x over 5, which implies 2x minus 1 over 3 greater than or equal to, take LCM. It is 20, 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x. So this will give you 2x minus 1 over 3 greater than or equal to 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x over 20. This will give you 2x minus 1 over 3 greater than or equal to 19x minus 18 over 20. Then cross multiply, 40x minus 20 is greater than or equal to 57x minus 54. Therefore, 40x minus 57x is greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20. So minus 17x is greater than or equal to minus 34. So 17x is less than or equal to 34. Therefore, x is less than or equal to 34 over 17 to x is less than or equal to 2 means x belongs to minus infinity to close interval 2 from the right hand side. Question 5. Solve x by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 over 3 minus 7x minus 3 over 5. Solution: we have x by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 over 3 minus 7x minus 3 over 5. This will give you x over 2 greater than or equal to, take LCM, 15. Then 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3. This will give you x over 2 greater than or equal to 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 over 15. Cross multiply 15x greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. That means 15x greater than or equal to 8x minus 2, 15x minus 8x greater than or equal to minus 2. That means 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 over 7. So x belongs to minus infinity to right closed interval minus 2 over 7. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take statement questions relating to linear inequality. So that's all. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important questions video. Thank you. See you in the next video.